Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video kung saan ako maglalaro ng But Spanish. O yeah, English. Maglalaro ako ng Night Shift Nightmare. Well, dito sa game na to, well, magbabantay tayo ng market, like convenience store, like night shift, nightmare. I don't know what kind of nightmare are we facing here sa game na to. And yeah, wala pong ideya sa game na to. Well, I think it's a nightmare for us na magbantay ng night shift ng convenience store. So wala tayong ideya sa game, laruin ko na siya. So it's the time to play this game. Kung sa bus station tayo, na ba siyang brightness or full brightness man lang? Wait lang, taasan ko yung brightness ko. Well, I think it's really dark at this hour of the night. Of course, it's dark, bro. The good thing is I have my phone. Press F to use our complimentary horror game flashlight, guys. Okay. I should hurry or I'll be late for work. Hello, Grace. Press WASD to move and hold shift to run. Okay. Oh, nag-i-space ako. Oh, hello. Left click to talk. Flashlight. Oh, sorry. Sorry, sir. Kinukuhanan ko lang si Manong, like, mas mura kasi pag vlogger. Yeah. May discount pag vlogger, di ba, tay? Sorry ako naliliwanagan sa phone ko. Naka iPhone 7s ata ako or 6, I don't know. Wala ko idea sa iPhone. Order tacos, left click. It's not the time to eat tacos. Okay? I'm going to be late to the work. Okay. Person eating. I recommend the al pastor ones. Al pastor? Saan siya nakatingin habang nagcha-chop-chop? Well, like, it's kinda familiar yung game. I think nalaro ko na siya. Yeah, it's kinda familiar. Familiar. Left click. Hindi ba siya yung automatic? Okay, I think mahirap tong store na to. I think. So, ako na yung lilipat sa kanya. Oh, work. Where have you been? You're late. Okay, Daryl, pa-explain naman yung laro. Magbabantay tayo ng convenience store. Night shift nightmare. Go to your warehouse to clock in. Okay. Calm down. Calm down, bro. Okay, where have you been? It's late. Okay. Calm down. Calm your tits. So, to clock in. Say ano? Okay. Clock in. I need the time card. The time card. Pick up the trash. I should clock in first. As in, take cookies. Oh, time card. Alam nyo, di ba, pag gaganto kayo, pag nagta-time in, time out, pagpapasok kayo ng work, pag mag-out kayo ng work, time in. Goods. 1:30, ay hindi, 1:15. They'll charge you at the other register. Okay. Ring up the girl. The girl? What do you mean? Oh, sorry. My bad. Take the coke. That'll be 20 pesos. 20 pesos? What do you mean 20 pesos? Is this a Pinoy? Pinoy ba yung gumawa nito? Kasi pagka-open ko ng game, Espanyol siya eh. Pero, I think, it's kind of Spanish, I don't know. Thank you, madam. 20 pesos nga. I think Espanyol. Pesos. Malini ba niya ni boy? Hey, dude. Did you see yesterday's news? I don't want to scare you, but they found another body near here. Again? What do you mean again? Me. Holy shiz! Don't leave me alone. Don't worry, that's what the security cameras are for. Anyway, my shift's over. So, iiwan niya talaga ako? Alam mo nang may namatay, alam mo... Pwede niyo samahan. Like, samahan mamatay. The pending tasks are in the storage room. You can do them in any order you like. See you tomorrow! If may kita pa kita kinabukasan, if may kita mo pa ako, well, see you. See you, dude. See you, coworker. Alam, masyado mataas ata mic ko. Ayan. Okay. Tayong dalawa na lang ulit. I mean, tayo na lang pala. Hindi na dalawa. So, what's the task? Hindi ko alam kung anong task gagawin ko. Mag-broom tayo? Magwawalis tayo? Left click to sweep. Space daw yung takbo pero shift. Pag pinindot ko yung shift, yung tumatakbo. Di pang pabilis. Oh. Left click. Left click! Right click to pinipindot ko. Ah, man. Niloko ata ako nito eh. Okay. All goods? So, tapos na tayo dun sa task na yun. What, may door? Okay. Asan yung door na yun? Soda. So, ano purpose itong isang soda? So, maglalagay tayo ng mga beverages. I don't know. Patawa ko itong soda. Saan to? Sa refrigerator. Nakabahan ka, kuya? Of course. Oh, man. I need to finish restocking the inventory. Okay, magre-restock tayo, pero... Where's the freaking soda, bro? Ayan yun eh, soda. Oh! Oh yeah, my bad. Instant noodles. Instant noodles. Cup noodles nga po. The product doesn't belong here. Paano ko malaman ko anong product? Hindi naman familiar sa mga product na to. Ang sakit sa mata nung game. Nakakailo. I need to finish restocking first. Ano ba yung lalagay natin? Game name. Night shift. Nightmare. So yan, nakita ko to. And ito na siya banda. I think. No. Wait lang. Yeah, right here. Okay, tapos na tayo dun sa isang task natin. And next. Isang hayop ata yun ito humingi ng tulong. Diba yun? No, CR to eh. Huh? Saan yun? Wait, Exo na to eh. Oh, yun ah. Ito, wait lang. Oh, dito. My bad. Hello? Is someone there? Who is this? Nobody uses the phone anymore. Oh my gulay. Okay. Oh man. So, anong next task natin for today? I mean for tonight. Pick the box. Okay, another task. I don't know. So, saan natin to? Akala ko iron door. So, saan to? Saan ko ilalagay to? Saan ko ini ibubutang? I need to finish organized boxes. Saan naman? O-organize ko? Oh, my bad. It sounds like someone's knocking on the door. Someone's knocking at the door? What the heck, Lola? Good evening! Can I use the restroom? No, of course. For stop only lang yun, nanay. Pwede ka na umihi dyan sa kanto-kanto. Madilim na, wala nang sasakyan. Wala nang makakita sa'yo. Sorry, it's for the employees only, see? Pero mabait akong tao eh. Sure, go ahead. Thank you. God bless you. Think may something sa kanya. I feel like it feels something strange. Silipin natin kung anong ginagawa niya. It's occupied. Huwag mo sabihin jumpscare yan si Lola. Tadyakan natin. Okay na. Nakaihi na si Lola. Thank you. Have a nice night. Naglagay ka siguro ng sumpa dun sa Isidoro. Grabe back ka na naman yan sa meta na ngayon para famous ka na ulit. Thank you, Nay. Welcome. Ewan ko ba, madalas ako yung nagte-thank you once sa may kunyari, may nagawang na mabuti yung isang tao sa akin. I mean, may nagawa akong mabuti sa isang tao. Ako pa rin yung nagte-thank you. I don't know. Sanay lang siguro. Nalakihan. Yeah, at least we got the door again. The door again? Wala naman. Wala naman kumakatok. Shawarma kiosk. Dapat ko ba pabuksan yun? Please. Wag po, please. Hindi ko lang kung saan ko ilalagay itong isang box. Think here. Okay, hello, Kerr. Who the heck is that? Who the heck was that? Can I see the CCTV? Can I use the CCTV room? Ano yung CCTV? Oh my gulay. Hello? Kailangan nababayang ako Okay, grab this, tas paluin. Kuya, kailan po kayo maglalaro ng Puppy Playtime 3? This April is coming April. Monitor, so okay. Click to stop watching. And right click. Left click to switch camera. Okay, I guess open pa yung tindahan banderon. Tabi likod ng store. Tabi likod ng store, like may door dito. Ba't kinakabahan ako? I think hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko pambira. Wait lang. Ikot-ikot tayo, I think. We got the CCTV here. Wait lang guys, wait lang. Excuse me. Sorry guys. Order ako. Wait lang. Nagsalat pa si kuya. Good evening. What can I get you? What's up, Reagan? Do all pastor tacos and everything? Of course! Here are your tacos! Sarap? Of course, KFC yan eh. Sa KFC guys, this is my favorite. Siyang pinakamasarap sa lahat. This is my taco. Is my taco? No? I already ate my taco. Ito yung likod ng store. May nagbabang dito kanina. It's locked from the inside. Yeah. Guys. I think everything's good. Hindi ako manonood ng live. Mag-search ako. Sige lang. I think everything's fine until nabuksan ko to. Wait lang. Oh. Pick up the trash. Ang dami namang napkin na ginamit ni nanay. Nag-CR lang siya dito sa ang dami ng napkin. So I need to finish taking the trash. Okay. I go right here. Oh, bakit? Na-take ko naman lahat ng trash. Basta good. Sige mga thank you. Oh, may kulay. Jump scare trash. Aragis na yan. Boo! You scared me! I just came to take out the trash. It's nothing. It's just the leftover sauce. Ako? Maloko mo? Nah, hell no, man. That's not a sauce, bro. Sauce ba yan? How's work going? Night shift, nightmare. I don't know if Filipino may gawa nito. I think hindi. How's work going? Busy day today? The store's really quiet. Better. There are weird people around at this time, don't you think? Yes, I guess. Doesn't your family worry that you work at this hour? Yeah, of course, nag-worry sila. Sila na at gabi. Pwede ako ma-hold up. Pwede ako ma-baril at yung oras. Yes, they're waiting. Tayo pala yan. My bad. Yes, they're waiting for me at home. I think it's kinda, it's kinda off this sa sa vendor na to. It's kinda feels strange. What time do you work until? Until there's no one left. What do you mean? Wala na natitirang tao. I mean, ako ba tatargetin mo? Ako ba next mo itatapon, ibabalot yun sa trash bag and also nagdidrip yung dugo? Or until there's nothing left to cut. Well, take her. Kinda weird. May pag-usap sa kanya. Oh, may gulay. Bigla nagharap. Okay, I think sarado na siya. Let's check. Hindi, nakabukas yung store niya eh. I should get back to work. Okay. So, ang dami niya pang ginagawang tako. So, ibig niya sabihin, hindi nga siya matatapos dyan hanggat hindi nauubos yung tako niya. Nagka-cut siya ng kinda, alam niyo yung guts niyo. Trust your guts, guys. I think hindi to baka or baboy or something. I think tao yan. Pustahan. So, what's next? What's next? Napasok ba dito? Let's check our CCTV camera. There's nothing. I think everything's good. May task pa ba tayo? Hindi ko makita anong task natin. Okay, I guess mag-wait lang tayo ng customer. I guess. Or dapat na tayo umuwi. Nobody uses this phone. So, sarado yung ano sa loob. Better not touch it or the power will go out. Well, I guess someone will touch it. And yes, mawala yung power natin. And yeah, then mag-start lahat. I don't know kung ano pang task na gagawin natin. Just standing right here. I should get back to work. I should head back. I can leave my post. Oh, bawal tayo may game barrier. It's a game barrier, bro. So what's next? Coffee, TV, vending, vent. I guess. No, hindi tayo mag-map or something. Oh, may last. Okay, my bad. May last trash can pa pala. Tayo itatapon. So I guess may another jump scare pa. Open our complimentary horror game flashlight. And oh, may gulay. Oh, may gulay. I think everything's good. Hello? Yeah, I think wala na tayong gagawin. My shift isn't over yet. Okay. Oh, ito pa pala yung mga task. Yung mga task natin, yeah. Bathroom, storage room, parking lot, restock inventory, chip, mop. So we're gonna mop again. No, that's not a map. That's a broom, bro. Okay, another task. I think this is the last task before tayo mamatay. I don't know, walang idea sa game. Just map. I-map lang natin tong buong surroundings. And I think mamamatay yung ilaw and babalik tayo sa labas para buksan and someone will come in our store and yes, doon matatapos yung game. Bad ending. Always, as always. Predicted ko na agad, guys. Hello, customer. Hello. What? Bro, parang si Jeffrey Epstein. Feeling niya siya si Jeffrey Epstein. I have to attend to the other customer, okay? Oh, man. So, dito ba siya pupunta? Ang titig niya, Cervantes. Kung midnight snack ba siya ngayong gabi? Bro thinks he's Jeffrey Epstein. Sorry, my bad. Naka-open flashlight ko. Bibidyoan lang kita. If may gawin kang kakaiba, post kita sa FB o FB Reels para kumita ako. Apasikatin kita, tatay. I think may binubulsa siya, guys. May binubulsa yan. May binubulsa. Tagal niya namang mahap ng kakainin na. Mukhang unemployed pa. This is si tatay. Can I get some cigarettes? Okay, huwag kang gumawa ng kahit anong weird. Bagay. Can you give me some cigarettes? Can you give me some cigarettes? It's really late. Aren't you afraid of working alone at this hour? My coworker is in the storage room. I don't know. My coworker is in the storage room. Really? It looks like there's no one else around. Wait, may bala ka ba? There's the money. Oh, my bad, sir. Thank you. Welcome. Tayo napunta dito. No, please. Don't. Ayoko. Alam ba sa isang spot lang tayo kailangan talaga natin maglakad. O dito lang tayo mag-map sa corner. Oh, may gulay. Already done. Hello? Ano pa task ko? Oh. Can you close this door? I finally finished all the pending tasks. Now I just have to wait for my shift to end. You mean tayo may end? Jeez. I think the fuse box is outside. Obviously, it is outside, not inside, buddy. Pero mas prefer ko yung inside kaysa sa outside, bro. Please. Oh, may nagbukas. What the? This shouldn't be open. I'll check the store in case there's a thief. What if wala na yung tatay dito? Oh, man. Oh, my kulay. Siya nga yung killer. Okay. May tao sa loob. I need to get out of here, bro. What? Oh, man. Mas mahalaga talaga tong Otso. Okay, there's a thief. Si Manong na nag-chap-chap ng taong shawarma. Prepare yourself, guys. That's weird. It's like there's no one here. I mean, there's no one here. Oh man, nakalock. What the heck? Jeez, I'm getting out of here. I'll go out through the warehouse. To the warehouse? Paano yan na-lock? Okay, prepare yourself, guys. Nandyan na. Oh, yun na. Yeah. See? Pesadilla en el turno nocturno. What the hell is this game? I don't know. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Like, bad ending lang ba talaga mangyayari doon? I think bad ending lang talaga yung mangyayari, pambira. Oh, man. Chilla's Art? Well, wow. Ang ganda ng game niya. Yung gumagawa sa... See? Yung gumagawa ng yung gumagawa ng tao yung... Yeah. Yung papatay sa atin. I knew it, guys. I knew it. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibago kong video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Well, thank you sa mga nag-subscribe, sa 92 subscriber ko. Thank you sa inyo. Well, yeah, sa game na to, ang bilis lang. Ang bilis lang ng game niya, ng kwento niya. Well, hindi nga nagkamali yung kutob ko dun kay Tanda na nagbebenta ng shawarma. So, yeah. Like, bad ending lang talaga siya. Like, paano nung gagawin ko? Like, tumakas, nakasarado yung rin yung pinto. Hindi ko siya pwede ma-outrun kung iikutan ko siya. Wala rin akong takas. So, yeah, maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. I hope all goods kayo lahat. Kita tayo sa next video. Bye-bye!